This is what we have created for this beautiful doll. Right?
Yeah.
Show me. So beautiful. Turn around, turn around. Turn the dress around. And this is the back. You move the height. This is the back. And it turned out so beautiful. It's really nice. And my little girl is very happy with the dress. Okay, let me show you what we have done here. We have done 11 rows of each color, and each color has 3 parts: A, B, C. I will be posting up here A, B, C, and then we need the collar, the up part. It's just easy, just half double crochets, 3 rows, and then we separated with a half double crochet for the creases and the neck area. It's really easy to make, and it's really beautiful. It's colorful. If you want the tutorials, I will definitely provide it. These ones are started with 1 layer, and we have a triple crochets, half double crochets, and double crochets and single crochets, and it's really cute and it's colorful. You can make one color also from this, but make sure each layer A, B, C is being done correctly to get this neck area. If you can see, this neck area is so much tight and so much good that it just doesn't have any other problem of looking unfit for the cute little doll. It's really beautifully done. If you want the tutorials, I will definitely make one more dress for the with one color. Do comment below in the video. Thank you for watching.